Many crop pictures, for example these two, suggest that a UFO drive will have three-phase wire coils inside, all blue, which are these three here, blue, 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 and on top of them we'll have another coil on the very inside, which is red, and while these have three-phase power, that will have AC power. So there's three blue outside, one red in the center, three blue outside, one red in the center, and that red one is where all the lifting energy is coming from, like a star shape. Now, in order to get UFO type lift from a model like this, three blue three-phase wire coils around the outside, one red in the middle, we have to add an aluminium disc on the top with some magnets outside so that it can spin. And you can see here in the center there's a disc that's going to spin. That's that disc with magnets sitting on the inside, and we're going to apply AC power to the red coil, make it go up and down like this. Up and down, and the red coil on which the disc is sitting and spinning will have AC power. First, we're going to turn on AC power alone at about 180 volts to this red coil with the aluminium disc and magnet sitting on the top, and that will make it lift up by Lenz levitation quite powerfully. It's hard to push it down. Now, these four magnets have to be arranged as NS-NS so that they won't wobble in a AC magnetic field. They'll spin quite straight. Let's turn on the three-phase power now and watch the disc spin and rise up at the same time. Pretty cool, isn't it? Go a little faster. That's 20 hertz. Next, we're going to place a larger AC coil, red, above the three blue coils, put the aluminium disc on the top, and this coil is more powerful, as you can see. A lot of upward force, and we'll repeat the spinning experiment. Now we've added 140 volts to that larger red AC coil. It's being spun with a three-phase magnetic field that's anti-clockwise, and the four magnets NS-NS make it spin clockwise quite well. In summary, today we have started from three-phase wire coils which are blue and make an anti-clockwise rotating field. We've put an AC wire coil on top of them and it's red, and on top of that we've added a 6mm aluminium disc with four magnets NS-NS. When we turn on the AC power, the aluminium disc lifts up by Lenz levitation, and also it spins clockwise due to this three-phase field. This is just what was drawn in crops for how UFOs work. We have 1, 2, 3 blue wire coils around the outside, a red wire coil in the middle which is lifting things up like a star shape. And here you can see that wire coil is quite a big image, which is this thing here. That red thing here is this big wire coil going up on a pole made of mild steel here. Three wire coils around it, 1, 2, 3 with three-phase power. We have 1, 2, 3, and there's this disc in the middle that's spinning clockwise. And this disc here, 6mm aluminium, will indeed spin clockwise if we put four magnets on it as NS-NS. It also won't rattle very much in the AC field. So this may be closely related to UFO levitation, and we'll consider further measurements soon. Thank you. To the stars.